how to declare an array. To declare an array, we specifying some particular size. Now this is the syntax for declaration of array. This is data type. You can specify any data type like integer, float, character, etc. You can specify any array name and array size. Let's consider this example. This is the float. Now float is nothing but data type. Mark is my array name with having 5 element size. One more example, int myArray1 is my array name which is holding 20 elements, or size of array is a 20 having data type integer. Now character of my array2 which is having data type character and stored 5 element, that is the size of array. So this is called as a declaration of array. Now let's understand how to initialize array. To initialize array, we create by specifying the size. Now just now we understood what is how to declare array, but we are going to assign some array element at the time of declaration only. Now this is declaration and initialization of array, that is the int my array1 having the 5 size, and I enter the 5 element, that is 100, 200, 300, 400 and 500. But the first index is always started with 0. Now let's understand this with example. This is the marks array of 5 blocks, that is the mark, and it always start with the 0 index and last index is nothing but the 4. As it start with 0 and last is the 4, but having the 5 total elements or 5 total blocks. Now the first position or first index of 0 holding element 19. Second marks of 1 index is holding 10, marks of 2 is holding 8, marks of 3 is holding 17 and marks of 4 is holding 9. That is the total 5 element we can accept, as we have the 5 element size, but it start with the 0 position. Array element. Now since we know that array store continuously, that is continuous memory, and it always start with 0, so the last memory size is nothing but array of size -1, that is the last is the 4, because we accept n, we accept 5 element, 5 minus 1 is the 4th, so last position is the 4th because it's always start with the 0 position. Now to access or to print the first position, or that is first position is nothing but the 0th index of array, %d my array 0. So at 0 position or at the first position the value is the 100, so it gives result 100. Suppose if I want to print at second position, that is at the index of second. Now the first index is always 0, so my second position is nothing but 300.